Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon Düsseldorf. I want to show you this Globus Camp T1. I have said in the past that this is one of my favorite types of motorhome, but I want to explain why. Because first of all, 6 meter motorhome. Its height is 273, inner height, standing height 190, width of 220. So it's got everything in its small, compact proportions. Right, coming in, first thing you note, you've got a lot of space. There is a step up there to the driver and passenger seats, but you've got lots of space. You've got lights up there, window lights I should say, windows, that's a better word. And here, 2 burners, we've got a sink, we've got a widthwise bed at the back, and we've got a window in the roof, window either side, storage at the back, shelf over the left hand side, and a shelf over the right hand side. Under this we've also got a wardrobe, washroom here. Dethleffs does a nice line in washrooms, and if you don't want to look at yourself in the shower, this unit will come out like that, and you can wash yourself like that. That thing over the toilet. Drainage, it's got these bumpy things on it so you can give you a massage your feet, and it's got a 2 drainage points in 2 corners. There's a fridge here, and there's the opening of the fridge. 2 burners, sink, kitchen block. It's more or less the same in most Dethleffs vehicles like this, of this size, except the big liner ones, and a bit of storage over here. Space for the television on this wall, space around the table, also space up there as well. There you go. Rather, okay, it's basic, does the job. 6 meters, easy to park, well, comparatively. And it's the kitchen extension. Let's have a look outside at the garage. Price 76,000 euros. Garage here, I think it's open. Right, so it sort of tapers, and to make it's also got this thing here down there as well. Right, well, it's not as functional as a flat garage would be, but you can still get your bike. No, you wouldn't. No, you wouldn't. You'd have to take the wheel off. But anyway, a folding bike. Fuses in a sensible-ish position. You can easily get up. You get them whilst they're there. Mind you, it's only 6 meters long. You can't really expect a huge amount inside. Now, it does say new up there, but I think it's been on the go for some time.
Ja, das sind die Influencer, ne? Da sieht man selber nichts mehr manchmal, ne?
Sorry, I just nearly hit somebody then as I was walking around. Good. So there you have the Globus Camp T1 motorhome, very similar to it in its former forms. Anyway, even if it does have the word new up there. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it interesting. I upload every day at 21:15. So I've got the largest selection of motorhomes and campervans from Europe on this site. So if you like this sort of thing, then this is the place to be. And so for the moment, from me in Germany, bye for now.